Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME C30. First of all, just open Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, choose Open. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on an Android. From here, in order to continue, you need to select Receive on your Realme and Send on Android smartphone. Then select all of those type of dots and when you're ready, click on Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Audio category, choose only one song, click on Send and tap on Got it. Now on Realme, choose No Thanks or Yes I Agree and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Realme, choosing while using the app only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button to connect those smartphones. Sorry, I made a typo. And now, as you can see, after a while, my song was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!